Hi, I've got this device called Seekit Edge from Panasonic to keep my valuables safe. Let's see what all it offers. Okay, on the side you have things that you could attach it with, such as camera, laptop, luggage, handbag, also wallet, key, backpack, a lot of things. Let's see what's on the back. Alright, this device works with an app and also there are key features. I guess I can keep a lot of my things safe with it. Let's see what's inside it. Okay, there is a device. It's a very thin device which I think can fit easily into any small pocket. And what's in the envelope? It's got some content, which is quick start guide, complimentary keyring, double-sided tape, envelope for service response, and there are interesting things to add to the experience, which is OneAssist wallet protection service to secure my wallet after theft, fraud and loss, okay, and GameZop, through which I can play and earn rewards as well. Okay, on the other side there is a 3 simple step process to attach my device with the app. I'll come to that in a bit. Let's see what's inside the envelope. Okay. Let's start with OneAssist. For those who don't know, it's a very useful and cool thing in just Rs 11.99. It's a wallet protection plan to protect all your credit and debit cards against theft, loss and fraud. Let's see what are the key benefits. It provides 24/7 on-call assistance. One call to block all our cards. Pre and post reporting cover of up to 1 lakh rupees. We can also get emergency travel assistance of 80,000 rupees, DocuSafe and online locker for our important documents, for documents up to 1 GB, and free replacement of government ID. Okay, let's see what GameZop is. So you can play games and apparently you can win rewards by playing games. Who knows, maybe I get my next Seekit for free? Okay, let's see what are these things. Okay, it's a double-sided tape and a keyring. It's very nice to know that the brand thinks of these small little things which makes it very convenient to use the device. Let's see what is this. This is a service envelope. Thank God, I was wondering what would I do if I face any issue. So it says it's a service envelope and I have to follow the instruction given on the envelope and dispatch it to a pre-printed address. And if my device is under warranty, I get a doorstep replacement. Wow, that's cool. Let's see what this is. This is a quick start guide and it has some product specs, connection process, some instructions about the Bluetooth information and also alert modes in addition to special instruction, key features and lots of other stuff. Okay, now let's move on to the process of how we would connect the device with the app. Download the Seekit app on your mobile phone from Google Play Store or Apple App Store and create an account. Press the button on Seekit device till you hear a beep and bring your device closer. Tap the Add Your Seekit button in the Seekit app and set up. Now tag, connect and find.
Panasonic.